So greetings from all over the world. Now, last time I gave you an introduction to poultry farming. So today I'm literally going to give you the benefits of poultry farming. So before we know everything about benefits of poultry farming, we have to remind ourselves of the last lesson that we studied on introduction to poultry farming. So poultry farming is the practice of raising domestic birds such as chicken, ducks, turkeys and geese for their meat and feathers. It has been a significant agricultural activity for centuries. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for protein-rich food sources increases, making poultry farming an essential component of our agricultural sector. Now, we have economic benefits. So number one is creation of jobs. Poultry farming is a labor-intensive industry that creates numerous job opportunities, from farm workers to processing plant employees. The poultry sector provides employment for millions of people worldwide. This creation is particularly vital in rural areas where alternative employment opportunities may be limited. It is an income-generating activity. Now, poultry farming can be lucrative for both large-scale and small-scale farmers. The relatively low initial investment required to start a poultry farm, combined with high demand for products, allow farmers to generate significant income. Additionally, poultry farming can provide a steady cash flow, as birds can be raised and sold multiple times a year. Again, in many countries, poultry farming contributes significantly to agricultural GDP. The poultry industry supports various auxiliary businesses, including feed production, veterinary services, and equipment manufacturing, further boosting the economy. On exports, countries with a robust poultry industry can benefit from exporting products to international markets. This not only generates foreign exchange, but also enhances the country's trade balance. As demand for poultry products continue to rise globally, countries that invest in poultry farming can capitalize on this opportunity. So on nutritional benefits, poultry meat and eggs are excellent sources of high-quality protein, essential for human growth and development. They contain all essential amino acids required for maintaining health, making them a vital component of balanced diet. Poultry products are rich essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins such as B6 and B12, iron, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including immune system support, energy, production of red blood cells. Yeah. Compared to other meat sources, poultry, particularly chicken, is a low fat and calories, making it a healthier option for consumers. Skinless chicken breast, for example, is a particular choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. Poultry products can be prepared in various ways, making them versatile ingredients in many cuisines, from grilled chicken to scrambled eggs. The culinary possibilities are endless, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Another one on environmental benefits. Poultry are known for their efficient feed conversion rates, meaning they require less feed to produce a pound of meat compared to other livestock. Hence, helps in reduction of overall environmental impact of meat production, as less land and resources are needed for feed production. Livestock, poultry farming generally produces lower greenhouse gas emissions. This is due to their smaller size and efficient feed conversion. More poultry, more environmentally friendly option for meat production. Many poultry farmers are adopting the sustainable farming practices such as free-range systems and organic farming, which promote animal welfare and reduce environmental impact. These practices can lead to healthier birds and more sustainable food system. On social benefits, poultry farming plays a crucial role in enhancing food security, particularly in developing countries, by providing a reliable source of protein. Poultry farming helps combat malnutrition and hunger, contributing to overall well-being of communities. In many regions, poultry farming is an accessible form of income generating for women. Women often play a significant role in small-scale poultry farming, which empowers them economically and socially. This empowerment can lead to improved family health and education as women reinvest their earnings into their households. So, poultry farming can foster community development by encouraging collaboration among farmers. Cooperative farming initiatives can help small-scale farmers access resources, share knowledge, and improve their production techniques, leading to outcomes for all involved. Cultural significance. Poultry farming is often deeply rooted in cultural traditions and practices. Many communities have a specific poultry breed that holds cultural significance, and raising these birds can help preserve local heritage and biodiversity. So we have various challenges that we're gonna discuss in our next video, such as disease management, market volatility, and environmental concerns. That one will come in the next video or topic or lesson, according to how you are understanding the free masterclass that I'm giving. Yeah. So kindly take this time, click the like button. If at all you see that we've shared a very informative information to you, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that anytime we upload a video, you get it on your fingertips. Yeah.